Hi, I'm Fair Katy. Welcome to my home circus. I want to show you 4 different ways to get into your crossback straddle. I'm sure there's way more. So if you know more, make sure that you write them in the comments below and tag me, Fair Katy, on Instagram if you see any.
All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles.
So, the first way that's probably the easiest, I call the Thready Georgia no twist. So it's like the Georgia twist, but you don't twist. And the reason we called it this is because I thought the crossback straddle was Georgia twist when I first started aerial. So you grab high, take your left knee through, and lean your hips forward out of the hammock. Then thread the left foot right behind the right knee and in between your knee and both sides of the hammock. Kick it all the way out, then take the left leg back through the center. This is the hard part. Use your arms to adjust. Kick the right leg out to the side until you get the X behind your back. Lean back to help invert in your crossback straddle. Way 2 is from the Georgia twist. So I'll start with the left foot in this time. Right leg behind, right shoulder in front, lean all the way over to the right until you can get that left arm on top of it. Sometimes it helps to brace yourself with the right arm as you get the left armpit to squeeze down. Grab close to your elbow, look over the right shoulder, push your left foot back behind you as you spin to the right and twist. You can hook this right knee as you do that. Grab the opposite side, start to kick that left leg out, right leg out to the side, think straddle of the legs, lean back. Again, that helps you invert. Yeah? Way 3 is from Floating Mermaid. Start with your crochet legs, monkey hook the left foot, push your right heel through to your butt, grab above the right knee, and pull yourself up, keep that left foot hooked. Floating Mermaid. Grab up, turn your foot down, knee up, come up to a perch. Take your right leg out so the right leg is free. And I recommend taking a couple wraps of this right arm, just so you don't sink down too low as you kick that left leg out. Yes, take your right foot underneath and remove your left foot, kick it out and stand up onto the right. Now you can unwrap the right arm, get the X behind your back, and invert. Ta-da! Way 4. For this one, it's really important that you have the right grip. Lots of people grip this way and their shoulders are closed. Think serving tray. Open the shoulders, palms out, thumbs up. Now, start standing in the hammock. Get one shoulder through. And arrange yourself so you have one foot in, thumbs up, palms out, shoulder heads open. I'm gonna hook this left foot, engage my core, press through the right foot to come up. Yeah. Take that high. Now, lean in front of the right piece. Get your left armpit on top. Take the right leg up through the center. And grab the right side. Kick it out. X comes behind your back, and guess what? We got another crossback straddle. I'm just gonna hang here for a second. Oh, aerial's hard, y'all. All right, 4, crossback duck through. We call it duck through because normally we have hammocks that are too short and you have to kind of duck through the hole. Stand on up, hands a little above shoulder height, invert, open wide, and crochet both legs around. Start to take one hand behind your back and then the other. I'm gripping with my feet here as well. I'm gonna slide down a little bit, but you want it to really cinch in that cross and hold it with your fingers. Then take one arm through that loop, duck on through, press the slack out in front of your belly. As you might have guessed, it's all about holding tension here to keep yourself up. So now that you have the tension held with your hands, you can take one leg out, or maybe both. There's so many things you can do here. I really like to bend my knee and place it just right over that knee. I'm gonna slide down a little bit, and then you can go to the side, and it looks kind of cool when it's over the knee. There, now you can see, or a pigeon, whatever you'd like to do here. And to get out, just slide your knee out, gently start to let it cinch around your waist, and then bam, you're on the ground.